Starting today, masks can come off indoors, but only if you are vaccinated. It has now been 17 hours since California's relaxed mask restrictions. Thanks for joining us for Fox 40 News at 5. I'm Nikki Lorenzo.
And I'm Eric Harriman. People who are not fully vaccinated against COVID will need to still wear a mask inside. For people who are vaccinated, there are a few exceptions for taking off that mask. People will still have to wear a mask on public transit. That includes trains, buses, rideshare vehicles, and the airport. Masks will need to stay on at homeless shelters as well.
And masks are required in healthcare settings like hospitals and nursing homes. People also have to wear a face covering at correctional facilities and jails, and masks are still required in schools across California. Along with the state, Sacramento County has officially ended the public health order requiring face coverings in most public settings, regardless of vaccination status.
But as Fox 40's Karma Dickerson reports for us tonight, one key COVID number is still pretty high here in the Sacramento area.
Sacramento County facing a new phase of the COVID-19 response, unmasking today from a face covering order that's been in place since July. The county COVID numbers are trending in the right direction, according to Public Health Officer Dr. Olivia Cassirier.
This is a drop of about more than 75% from our peak of 240 last month.
Hospitalizations are also decreasing, and the outbreak in county jails is improving, with cases dropping by 37%. But one number continues moving in the wrong direction. A reminder that even while the current dominant strain has led to less serious illness, COVID-19 remains a deadly disease for some.
Deaths have picked up. We're averaging about 9 to 10 confirmed deaths per day. And again, just to note that the process for confirming deaths is a little lengthy, so we still have some that are pending confirmation.
Still, county officials expect cases to continue to drop and are shifting operations accordingly. Starting next month, 6 of the 13 community testing sites will close, leaving 7 county-affiliated coronavirus testing locations. However, it's hard to forget those images from November and December. Long waits and limited testing supplies as local and national governments scrambled to meet the needs of the Omicron surge. I asked county officials how they plan to avoid that services gap, if there is a next time.
What is the plan for being able to pivot quickly if necessary to reopen those testing facilities, if it's deemed necessary to expand the staffing and to get back at the levels that we were during the height of the surge, if that seemed to be necessary?
We're not starting from zero, so we've built a lot of with experience and institutional knowledge and partnerships that we've made. I think that pivot that you're asking about could happen pretty quickly.
In Sacramento, Karma Dickerson, Fox 40 News.
And as we mentioned, there are still several places where you have to wear a mask, and some of those rules fall under federal guidance, like needing to wear a mask on a plane. Although COVID infections, hospitalizations, and even deaths are decreasing, the CDC says it isn't ready to make changes to masking rules right now.